Welcome back, guys. TBI back with a new video, and in this video we want to talk about dollar cost averaging. DCA is a popular term that is used in investment portfolios, investment talk, all across YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, all those other different avenues in social media. So as a newbie coming into the industry, I wanted to know exactly what dollar cost averaging is, and I wanted to share that information with you today. Real quick, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and also hit the notification bell for future updated content, as you will get new videos each weekday. We get up for the morning. I'll leave these videos for you to have your morning coffee, morning tea. Let's get started. Today's topic, dollar cost averaging. So let's get to it. So what I wanted to do is I wanted to go through exactly what the definition is for dollar cost averaging. It's a good tool that people use to focus in on long-term investing. So real quick, this is from Investopedia.com. I will leave all the links in the description. Dollar cost averaging is an investment strategy in which an investor divides up the total amount to be invested across periodic purchases of a target asset in an effort to reduce the impact of volatility of the overall purchase. That's a big point that they're making there. The purchases can occur regardless of the asset's price and at regular intervals. In the effect, this strategy removes much of the detailed work of attempting to time the market, right? Because we're basic investors right now. But in order to make the purchases in equities at the best prices, dollar cost averaging is also known as the consistent dollar plan. It's a very key strategy, and I feel that especially when you're beginning in this market, it's the best strategy to use the dollar cost averaging, the DCA method, in order to build long-term wealth. Remember, this is also not a get-rich-quick scheme. I keep mentioning that, and I'll mention that in multiple videos. This is the long-term play. We want to build wealth not only for us, but for our kids and our kids' kids. All right? So real quick, some quick takeaways before I kind of go through exactly how I'm going to dollar cost average right here in this video. Key takeaways. Dollar cost averaging refers to a practice where a systematic investing equal amounts spaced over regular intervals. We just went over that. The goal is to reduce the overall impact on volatility. For example, in January, first I bought ETH, right? I was happy to own my own coin. Bought it at $3,200. Right now it's $2,400, something like that. But if I dollar cost average in, it will be less volatile, and eventually I will get to my purchase. So that's exactly what it is. You avoid making mistakes, and that's always good. I'm super pumped to be able to share this information out. You never know who this video would impact in the future, and of course they can always come back and give a quick thumbs up and say, hey, look, I didn't know what DCA was. Your video really helped me out, and that's the overall goal of the channel. All right, so real quick, I want to share something with you. I want two more things, and we'll get out of here. This here is Coinbase, right? And we have the asset here, which is Cardano, the ADA token, right? So right now, Cardano ADA is at not an all-time low. It's at a low that I haven't seen in a long time. So we kind of have the graph here. Right now, you can buy an ADA token for 99 cents, right? I bought in and started to develop a bag for my Cardano at $1.20. And I thought that was a good deal because remember, I was looking at Solana, right, when I got into it this year, and Solana was pennies on the dollar, right? This time last year, I missed the boat. I didn't start investing until January 1st. It is now January 24th as of this recording. And now you're seeing Cardano starting to scale up. Sunday Swap just launched, but for some reason, it dropped down 14%. We're getting hammered. It's getting beat down, right? Bear markets. So now you're seeing Cardano at 99 cents. I'm going to buy. I'm going to buy in because my hope is if I get a big enough bag, more applications are launched on using Sunday Swap. They get their shared contracts. Maybe even start staking with Cardano. And the hope is that this thing can start going up $3, $4, $5, maybe hit $10 sometime this year. That's the hope. But right now I feel like 99 cents, it's a good return on my investment to be able to use this. So how dollar cost averaging works is what I'm looking at here is, hey, it says daily, right? And what I want to do is I want to say, you know what? I want to put $10 into Cardano daily, and I'm going to use that. It's already linked up to my account, and we're going to go preview buy it right now, right? So I'm buying 9, because of course there's a Coinbase fee of 99 cents. So you know what? I want to go back because I want to buy $10 worth of Cardano right now each day. So let's do that. So let's go in. Oh, let me go back there, and I want to do let's do $12. Let's do 12. We'll do it daily, right? Preview the buy, and we're doing $12, right? So now I'm getting 10 ADA each day. That's what I'm doing here. So we're going to go and do it. That it's a Coinbase fee in there. So now we're getting ADA. It just went up to $1, right? It was just 99 cents. So it's fluctuating, but we're going to buy now. Let's see how it goes. And this is exactly how I'm doing my dollar cost average right there. So each day I'm putting $12 into Cardano. I'm buying 10 ADA tokens. Just we were able to see it right there on the screen. I can view my transaction, and let's go to that. So it's going to show a little bit of my assets here, and it shows that, hey, look, now I bought some ADA tokens. I have a good bag and the reoccurring purchases. So now I'm dollar cost averaging in to ADA, which is the Cardano platform, and I'm averaging in $12 a day. The next purchase will be tomorrow, January 25th. All right. So now I'm buying into Cardano. I'm trying to develop a bag of Cardano as I see that Cardano over the long term. Remember, these are long-term plays. I feel that Cardano is going to be something that has a higher return on investment for me, because I, of course, wasn't able to get into Bitcoin and get into ETH when it was pennies on the dollar. Right now, it just went up to $1. It was 99 cents at the start of this recording. And I'm dollar cost averaging in. And it's simple as that. You can use something here just like Coinbase and be able to get in and do your dollar cost averaging. I heard some results to where, hey, look, even when you get paid, you can just use dollar cost averaging. It doesn't have to be daily. It could be weekly. It could be bi-weekly. But the factor is to get in there. Get in there, right? And dollar cost average when you get paid. Let's say when taxes hit, but try to do it bi-monthly. You could do it weekly, you could do it daily, and just try to get into those stocks, those blue chip stocks, those stocks that you did some research on, that you have faith in, and that way you mitigate risk on the volatility of the market, but yet you're still getting your stake, you're still getting your product, and that's a great basic investment tool when you're starting out on your adventure in stocks and crypto. All right, so the last thing I wanted to show you guys is I went to Percentage Tools, percentagetools.com, and this gives you a nice free DCA calculator. So it's great. So use these tools to develop skills when you're starting out in crypto, even if you're a long-term investor in crypto and it's not your first go round. So you can go to percentagetools.com and basically put in what it is an online dollar cost average calculator. It helps you find the average cost of what you're going to be purchasing into. It's your money. You want to see what the average cost is. Use these free tools to be able to get you there. All right. So let's say, for example, I wanted 10 shares. The average buy is $2,500, and that's my total cost. The next investment, let's say I wanted to do 5 shares. The average is still $2,500, and the total cost is now $12,500. I calculated it out, and what that calculates to is if 15 shares at $2,500 is the average buy, my total cost will then be $37,500. And you're using that as your DCA cost calculator to be able to get you to where you need to be as far as on your investment journey. So that's today's video. Let me know what you guys think. Leave a comment down here, and you can kind of describe which DCA tools you use, when did you learn about DCA, and how that affects either your crypto or your stock exchanges as far as your purchases. I am the Basic Investor, and stay tuned to the next video. I'll be dropping that tomorrow morning. Please leave a comment, leave a like, hit the notification bell, and hit the subscribe button, as this channel will be growing with news and information in stocks and crypto. TBI, signing out.